So we've been talking about a lot of small scale, kind of fine neuroanatomical features of the nervous system. For example, receptors and, vesicles and vesicular transporters and things like that. And this week we're going to turn our attention to sort of larger scale kind of structures, what we call the gross neuroanatomy. And that's after the German grosse for large scale as opposed to fine, detailed aspect of neuroanatomy. So we're going to do a more thorough sort of tour of some of the structures and systems and networks actually that we find in the brain. We've been referencing some of these already, like for example the subcortical structures that make up the basal ganglia, for example. But I want to go through these kind of in turn and end this week with a look, like a kind of a deeper look at the structure and function of this remarkable wrinkled, outer surface, what we call the cortex of the brain. Cortex, of course, is Latin for bark. And there's a particular, form of cortex that has a lot of diversity, within different regions of it, but also some, consistency in terms of its kind of network organization. And that is what we call the neocortex. And most of what you're seeing here, on a lateral view, or we're going to say like a dorsal view or a ventral view, is going to be what we refer to as neocortex. So we'll learn